everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 392 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Santee Super Blendable Concealer that I got from ShopMissA. So this was only $1 and it's cruelty free. I have it in the shade 4, but it comes in 8 different shades, which I wish that ShopMissA had better shade ranges. So this color here, I don't even know if this is going to work for my skin tone. It looks much more of a mustardy khaki shade in person than it looked online, but it's just so hard to find like complexion products from ShopMissA. One, because the swatches don't always look how they are in real life, and for two, there was very limited shades available. But that's not going to stop me from trying this. On the ShopMissA website, this claims to be for face and body, and specifically called out being good for covering up tattoos. Now, I don't personally have any tattoos to be able to see how this works at covering that up, but I thought that was interesting. Let's see how much product we get in here. That's it. So if you wanted to use this on your body, you wouldn't get much use out of it. But I am going to start out by swatching it. I mean, it's not a terrible color. It's a little bit dark for my skin tone right now, but if I had maybe just like 1 or 2 sunless tanning layers on, this could probably work well for me. But also, when it blends out, it could work. So I'm just going to try applying it to my under eyes and see how it does at covering up my dark under eye circles. And I do like the pencil kind of application. It is really easy, you can be very precise. It's kind of difficult to blend out. I do kind of feel like it's just disappearing as I'm blending it out. There's like very thin light coverage right now. I'm going to go in with a little bit more and try blending it out with my finger. And yeah, the color, I don't know if it's picking up quite so much on camera, kind of is. It's yellow for my skin tone, so it doesn't look perfect as a match to my under eye, but oh, actually blending it out with my finger worked so much better. I feel like there's a lot more coverage and it looks like a better texture where it looks kind of smooth and natural and hydrating to my under eye. Wow, that actually doesn't look too bad. Try this under eye. All right. Yeah, it actually blends out like really easily and nicely with my finger. So I'm glad I tried that instead. And I do feel like it gives much better coverage this way. So not full coverage, but I would say medium coverage. Okay, not so bad. I just have to ignore the fact that my under eyes are looking very yellow right now. But let's see how this does as like some spot concealing. I mean, it did a decent job, and remembering that this is a $1 product. I mean, if the color matched me, this would be great, but it does just kind of look like yellow spots on my face, which looks pretty bad. But you know what? For $1, this applied pretty nicely and gave pretty good coverage. Definitely once I switched to blending it in with my finger, it was like a game changer. So the formula of this product, I'm gonna say, is pretty good, but the shade range makes me dislike this product, where I wasn't able to find my correct shade, and I think most people would have a hard time finding their correct shade. So for $1, if you can find a shade that matches you well, I think this is great, but for me, it's not going to be a product that I can use because of the shade matching. Sometimes I like to use these dollar store concealers, getting them in a darker shade to use as a cream contour, or if I could have found a much lighter shade, I could use that for highlighting. So that is a way to get use out of some dollar store inexpensive concealers like this that are actually good formula. It's just the colors that are off. Something that I would like to find though is a pencil type of concealer like this, one that has better shades. So if you have any recommendations for some like pencil types of concealers, let me know in the comments down below, because I really want to try some good ones, and I just think it's such a fun, quick, and easy way to apply products, especially concealer. So I want to get one of those in my collection. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.